Jotend tije mag sirikal Felix Kosgei ojiwo jogo duto matiyo mondo owuog oko kendo tim tije mopogore kod gigo manegi somo kende kaka yor neno ni gi jiwo yuto margi kod dongruok matur ka koloso e mbalariany ma Masinde Muliro e kaunti ma Kakamega. Kosgei owacho ni jogo manigi tije mopogore ni kod nyalo mamalo mar nyayo dongruok e alworagi. Romo makamano bende omulo noko mag tije e kind rawere komedo jiwo jotelo mondo oyaw negi kuonde tich kaka yor duoko timbe njore piny.
Are you understanding? Let us be people who participate in the policy making process, whether it's budgetary, whether it's legislation, whether it's project formulation. Let us be at the center.
Transition into the labor market, there are many opportunities. We are aware of the government internship program. There's Kazi Mitandaoni, there's Kazi Maju, and of course in-country jobs. These are not just stories, they are statistics about how students are transitioning into the labor market. But that also brings me to the question of the leaders gathered here today. In your space, you have job opportunities. And so the question is, how are you helping our young ones to transition and secure these job opportunities? It cannot be a one person's responsibility. But if we work together, we can hold the hands of our young ones in this county, and together we can move the country forward.